In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 hotspot not working. If your laptop or PC refuses to share its internet connection with your phone or other devices, the fix is often quick and simple. We're going to walk through a short sequence in Windows 11 that refreshes the hotspot feature and prevents it from powering down in the background. Start by opening the Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That opens the Settings window instantly, so you don't have to dig through menus. If you prefer, you can also tap the Start button and choose Settings, but the shortcut is usually quicker and more reliable when you're troubleshooting. Inside Settings, look to the left side and select Network and Internet. This is the hub for everything related to your connections, and it's where the mobile hotspot controls live. If your window is small and the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can easily find Network and Internet. Next, click Mobile Hotspot. This page manages how your PC shares its internet connection over Wi-Fi. At the top, you'll see a main switch for Mobile Hotspot. Toggle it off, wait a couple of seconds, and then toggle it back on. That brief pause is important. It lets Windows fully stop and restart the virtual adapter and the background services that make the hotspot discoverable. Think of it as a soft reset for the sharing feature, the same way you might quickly restart a router to clear a glitch. After you've turned the hotspot back on, stay on the same page to adjust one setting that commonly interrupts connections: power saving. Find the power saving option for mobile hotspot and turn it off. With power saving enabled, Windows may automatically shut down the hotspot when it thinks it's idle or to conserve battery, which can cause your other devices to drop off or fail to connect in the first place. Disabling this makes the hotspot more consistent, especially if you're actively using it or running on battery power and don't want it to time out. That's it. By opening Settings, going to Network and Internet, selecting Mobile Hotspot, toggling the hotspot off and back on, and then turning off power saving, you give Windows a clean restart of the feature and prevent it from quietly switching off. Give your device a moment to rediscover the network name, and you should be back online. If you need to revisit these options later, they'll be right here in the same mobile hotspot page.